Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have chicken and broccoli homemade, and we have some chicken dumpling and chicken pop stickers, yes, and then we have spring roll. Now these two things I did not make, but that's okay. Everything else I made.
Yes, that's right. That was the first day. So which one is mine? I just want to, I don't want to put my pepper all over my thing because I'm starving right now. So.
Starving, had a long day?
Long day, my yard. Talk to the family members and we go and munch now.
Hold on. Let me move this back. It's like right my damn yai.
My sauce. Yeah, so what if I put all this crap on my stuff? That's mine. So what? It's not yours. There you go.
Yeah, I tried. So, guys, we are back from our vacation.
Yes.
My birthday trip. It was amazing and
This tastes just like the Chinese shop. Finally, when I walk in the house, I said, my God, look like they brought the Chinese shop here. What you said the name again?
what name? Chicken pop stickers. I'll put some sauce right here for the So we'll talk a little bit about it. I mean, you've seen everything on the video, so there's really not much to talk about, but I mean,
Exactly. We brought you out. We took you out with us. You know what I'm saying?
if you see me doing this, my neck hurts.
Our neck hurt.
I tell you guys that it's a daily battle for me with my neck and my back.
Yep.
So.
Family. Yes. It look like a Chinese shop, but it's not. Chinese. Yeah. Busting.
It is busting.
Okay.
You see how soft and tender the chicken breast is?
You know, so you know you have to make my breast soft and tender, man. All right, I give you some with everything on it.
Woo.
Okay, hold on. Oh, hold that. I don't want to go there. Yeah. I can't take it when it's too hot here. Get that. Take it back. Right.
Wow.
Focus.
Yeah, man.
All right, back to me.
You know, there's a trick to getting the chicken so soft. You guys ever make chicken and broccoli?
Hold on.
This guy right here, boy.
Family, look at the ice cubes. Look at the ice cubes I got in the cup. That's cool, huh? Yeah, I don't know what's that. I've never seen that, huh? Only us.
You guys ever make shrimp and broccoli, chicken and broccoli, beef and broccoli, and you always wondered how your chicken is not as tender as a Chinese shop? There's a trick to it.
You gonna tell them?
No.
Not? Why are you not gonna share it with them?
I don't want to.
Okay. No, I heard you.
I'll tell you guys.
This is tender and soft.
It's tender and soft.
So this, where did this thing?
Huh?
I did the same way.
I'll use this. Okay.
That's all right. All right. Stop. Thank you.
I saw it on a video, and what you do, of course, you cut the chicken thin.
And the cutlets?
You can, a chicken breast, You cut the chicken thin, and then you marinate it in soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, 1 large egg, just the egg white, not the yolk.
Really?
Rice vinegar or rice wine, and you marinate that in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then after you marinate it, you get some water and you bring it to a boil. And you're not boiling the chicken, but you're just, it tenderizes the chicken. So then when the water comes to like a little simmer, you put the chicken in the water, and you know, you move it around. And when you do that for like 5-6 minutes, the chicken cooks because the chicken is already thin, so it cooks fast. And then you dry it, and then you stir fry it, and that's how you get the chicken to be so soft and tender.
Yes. Yeah, I didn't know that, so don't say I know it. Because y'all do that sometime. No, y'all know. No, y'all didn't know about that one.
But
comment down if you know about that and be honest.
I didn't know about that, but I never could understand how they get their meat so tender.
Soft. Yes.
And that is how. And my gravy is not as dark because I use light soy sauce, but you can use dark soy sauce or whatever.
That's the way I love it. Okay? That's what I love it?
Yes.
That's what matters, okay?
That's true.
That's what the family members say. From Richard love it, it's good with it. Hot enough? Just off the fire, family.
I hope you guys had a good weekend.
Egg roll, the hot one.
Hot.
Why they call it egg roll? They put egg in it. I never eat an egg roll that got egg in there.
I don't know. Maybe it does have egg in it.
I never seen no egg.
That's true.
I don't know why they call it egg roll, family. You tell me. And I never seen no egg. I see everything else but egg.
It's like a spring vegetable roll.
Yeah. This is good. Very hot too. I got gas in there.
Yeah, gas.
Yeah.
Let me tell you guys something. I had an amazing time in Dubai.
You did?
An amazing time. If I didn't tell you that I had an amazing time, I'd be lying.
They said they could tell. You hear they say that? They could tell.
Let me tell you, as a mother...
The whole month was your birthday.
Thanks, baby. As a mother and a wife, right? Or a woman, period. Most of the times, you're the one planning stuff, doing stuff. And it felt really good to not have to plan nothing. I planned nothing. The only thing I did
was spend my money.
Was plan what I was gonna wear.
All they did was spend my money, family. So you know about it.
You don't have no money either?
Alright, I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet, family. I don't have no money.
The only thing I had to do was plan my outfits. Our excursion was already planned. Our day was already planned. Where we was gonna eat everything was planned. It was such a relief to just wake up and get dressed and say, where are we going today? Well, it was fun. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Guy's birthday, family. I told you, I don't care. I just want to go swipe. Once I swipe, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? Nothing about, I don't really care. What I get for my birthday, I like. It doesn't matter for the guys. I know.
They say that, but they care.
You know it don't bother me.
It don't bother you?
It don't bother me. You know that, right? But I don't mind it though.
Alright.
It don't bother me, but I don't mind it. You know what I'm saying, family? I don't want to be too picky now, you know?
You should be picky. It's your birthday.
You know that gas?
You're entitled. You full?
Not full, but we guess it right here.
I tell you, stop not eating at work. At least eat something small. So he be at work and he just eats beer snacks. Because he's saving his appetite for when he come home. Even though Richie doesn't need it, because Richie will eat at 11 o'clock.
They know that. They
and
know
by 2 o'clock he's starving again.
They know my metabolism is different, you know that.
So
they know I will get that already. But I tell you I be having in my stomach. That's why I be getting like
more often.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to take it to the doctor. Tom, you old enough?
I am old. I'm a young boy. No old man, anyway.
Family,
I don't know, but it comes and go. But listen, you better have nothing to do with my eating my food. I tell you that. Comes and go. So right now, I can feel I'm hungry, but the food is going down, but it's just like
stuck
right there. No, that's why I'm drinking the soda, the Coca-Cola, so don't judge me.
But honey, oh shit, it happens.
Family.
Okay, wait. When does it happen? When you're at work and you come home and you eat. Because when you don't work and you get up and you eat something and you eat something later, it doesn't happen.
But you know, you don't want to be telling me to go eat. I don't be eating sometimes. Sometimes I just don't feel like want to eat your whatever. But this is delicious. This is busting. I ain't gonna cap. This chicken is tender for real.
Very tender.
How I'm lying? How would y'all know? Don't do that. How would y'all know? I can't give y'all through the camera. Come on now. What the hell? You see it? You see it. Look at that. You see it. Feel it. Squeeze it.
Look at that.
All right.
But see, it's like butter.
Yeah.
Use my finger.
Great bar.
Look at that.
You see it? First they told you the blueprint.
See? You can just, it's like butter. So soft.
First they gave you the blueprint. Now you got to go master it now. You know what I'm saying?
I was shocked. And then I see people in the comment. I saw one person in the comment section because it's a video. If you want me to link that video, I will, because trust me, it's the best way to make it.
Yeah. It's she ain't lying. You know when first they give you the blueprint, you know it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were saying, oh, you're boiling the chicken. No.
But you know what? To be honest, let me tell you something. A lot of people boil the chicken if they want to make good fried chicken. You know that's a good way to make fried chicken. Once you boil the chicken, it's easier to cook it. A lot of people, sometimes I do that too. Like if I want to go jerk the chicken, I put it in the oven for I don't want it just to soften it up and then easier. That's what I do sometimes. But a lot of people boil the chicken.
But it's not even boiling. It's like
just soften it up.
Yeah. I forgot the word that she used. But I was like, nah. I said, I'm trying it.
Couldn't believe it.
And she's right. Look how soft it is.
Very soft. I didn't see you on thing.
Water? Yeah, I drink water.
I gotta cut off on the soda, you know? I gotta cut off on the soda, but I love it. Damn it. You could tell this one is up-to-date date. You hear it, Pop?
Huh.
If it didn't have the acid in it.
It's not expired?
Not expired. This one is up-to-date. It's not expired, family. You hear that one? Pop. But yeah. Homemade. You as the first day said homemade chicken and broccoli. You know what the vibes is already, family. So only if you have to taste it. And see where we're not capping.
We
don't cap it. Yeah, I'm getting full too, because
you might be on your own.
not full, but I'm just taking my time and eat. You know? First day they said to take my time and eat, fam. What y'all think?
It's because you have gas.
But it's good though.
Gas.
I'm gonna take my time and eat, right? See. Family, what do you think?
But Richie got a new grill, guys. He got a grill.
Yo, almost you just said here. People think it's that. Well, Richie got a new girl, guys. No, she didn't say that. See, for the one them over there.
Why is your mind over there?
No, for the one over there. From the one them over there. That's what y'all thinking about. No, I didn't. She didn't say that. Repeat yourself again, first lady.
Why did that come to your mind?
You're frightened me, Yo, I'm near jumping the food at the moment, you know? You know they heard that. You know they hear that.
They heard he got a new grill. He got a new grill.
I'm gonna turn up on that grill. You already know what it is already. Pastor Richie, the grill king in the building. Tom, all you doing just messing up the place right here, yo.
That's because I don't know why I got this.
What?
It works, but it's for certain things. This spoon is too big. See? It's for certain things. I like this spoon for certain things.
Wow, food hot, no?
Hot, yeah. Hot.
Wow.
I'm full now.
Family, we told you. Our little daughter played softball. Oh my God. Went to the tournament this weekend. She was moving like Derek Jeter, aka what's the next good guy?
I don't know about softball.
What's the next guy that used to play with Derek Jeter, family, and the Yankees? A-Rod. Stealing basin and all.
She was very good. First time ever playing in her life.
Softball.
Softball.
And she a beast. When you have an athlete dad.
She very competitive.
Like a mother.
She don't like to play no games. She wants to win.
Damn right. All we do is win. Family, I'm gonna just eat the meat, okay? The meat is tight and bread. You know it's breast. I don't pass up on breast.
Yeah.
All right. I got something for you. Short and sweet, okay? Okay, fam? You need more napkin? You full?
Yep.
No,
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
You know when first they say she's full, okay? Alright, I got something for them first, lady. Listen up. Family, listen up, okay? It's a long time you didn't hear one of these, so.
For real.
If y'all can relate.
I hope you guys like the videos.
Relate.
Because it's a lot of work.
It was a lot of work. So make sure y'all like it, cause first they did a lot of work. Vlogging is not easy. It's not easy. Okay. Ready? Family. Yes, it's going to you. You. First lady. The better person you become, the better person you attract.
AKA true facts.
I know it's fast, but y'all didn't hear. I'm gonna go slow again. That's what I said. That's what I said to y'all. I'm talking to y'all. That's why I said that. Okay. First lady, family, viewers. You know what I'm saying? Alright. The better person you become, the better person you will attract.
Very true.
If you could relate, relate. If you could participate, participate. Damn, first lady, you glowing in that camera, mama. God damn, look at that. Hey. Nicki Minaj, aka Ali Berry. Alright, family. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for watching the vlogs. You know what I'm saying? Family, we should have been up at that 4,000. Come on, get us there. Share this video. Come on now. If you're watching the video, might as well just like it. And stop watching from the side. You know what I mean? It's 2022 now. Let's do something different now. Come on, man. It's free. Thumbs up. Like. Share. Okay. I am Richie. This is aka Shanice, aka First Lady. Chatty sometime though. And they are...
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
This was delicious.